Hi, my name is Dawn Arias and I'm an occupational therapist with American Career College. Today we are going to demonstrate how to make a switch for switch activated toys. So if I push down on this, it does not activate, and when I use the switch, it connects. First things, you need to get all your materials. You need 18 gauge stereo wire. We've got aluminum tape in larger strips that are going to be used for our connection, and then we have smaller strips and a small piece of index card that these aluminum pieces are going to go onto. We're using index cards for the top and bottom of our switch. You can use old CDs, you can use vinyl folders to activate or use for the switch, and then we have foam spacers that we will also use. First thing we're going to do is make sure that you have your speaker wire. You're going to cut the coating off the edge of the speaker, and you're going to split both at the top and the bottom so it looks like a Y at both the top and the bottom. You're going to cut a small piece of your speaker wire and tape the smaller pieces of aluminum foil tape onto one end of the speaker wire. You're going to cover the exposed wires onto the smaller piece of index card. Cover it completely, and do the same thing on that same side, on the other, just the reverse side of it. So now you have one side that has foil tape and the speaker on either side. On the side that's still split, you're going to take your two pieces of your index card. You're going to use this to make your switch. Taking the larger pieces of the aluminum tape and taping it onto the index cards. You're going to do the same thing on the other index card, making sure those wires are covered completely like that. And this is going to be the top and the bottom of your switch. You're going to take your foam spacers, put them on either side to create space for your switch. To create what looks almost like a s'more. The whole purpose of this is to get the connection to close the circuit for our switch. You're going to take a battery activated toy. You might need to trim your little piece here so that way it fits where the battery needs to go. On the side that has a positive side for the battery, you're going to insert the interrupter into the battery, so that way it will not activate, does not light up. And then when we activate the switch, the sound goes off.